Hi there guys, my name's Simon here at Cloud Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a new visualization. So what we're going to do is create one similar to the cases by origin. So we're going to see how they were logged on the system. So to do this, what you need to do is look at all your data over the right hand side here. So we're going to do it on the cases part. What we do is you simply drag the columns you want. So we're going to go case origin. We're then going to have the priority as well. So if you scroll down, do the same again, drag it on top of that table. And then we also want the total number of cases active. So that creates it in a table view to start with. So it creates it straight away, it's instant. We can then change the view up here. So at the moment, we can then resize it to fit into that space. So at the moment, we've got it sorting by the number of priority and how it was logged. If we want to change this around, what we can do is just drag this under here. And then what we're going to do is put the legend as the case origin again. So if you simply drag that into there. So now this is sorting it by the case origin. You can then double click into these, which will give the priority, and that is how you create a new visualization. So you could then change this to maybe you want a pie chart. So you then just have the email and Twitter, but we're going to keep it as the standard one. If you then want to get rid of the blanks as well, if you scroll down to the filter part, go to case origin and go select all, this will then sort it by just the non-blank ones for you. So anything that's blank, whether it's phone or another case origin, it will remove it. So I hope that video was useful, and we'll see you again soon.